Hello people, how are you guys doing? It's still Benny of Benny's Kitchen. So today guys, we are preparing something so delicious. On the table you can see eggplant, you can see smoked fish, mackerel fish, and you can see this lovely here, green pepper, red pepper, spring onions, tomatoes, and um, scotch bonnet pepper. You can see salt, chopped onions, seasonings, and plantain. Today is going to be something different. First of all, I'll just boil and mash those eggplants because I'm making eggplant sauce with plantain. You can boil the plantain or you can roast the plantain. You can even fry the plantain, but today I'm going to be frying the plantain as seasoning. So guys, let's just do this. First of all, I'm going to boil the eggplant, then I now mash it, then begin from there. So guys, look at what the boiled garden egg or eggplant looks like. It's not garden egg, it's eggplant, so it's soft now. I'll just mash it. Use your masher to mash, or you can even pound it. Use your small mortar, if you have a small mortar, to pound it, or you can just do what I'm doing, boil it to be soft. Don't allow it to be hard, let it be soft for easy mashing or pounding or anyone. See what I'm doing, see what I have here. Back in the days, we used to enjoy grandmother's cooking like this. She loves doing this, I used to enjoy it. That was where I got this recipe from. See the eggplant, see what I have here. I'm done with this one. What I'll just do now, this is our seasoning. I'll just add some salt to the seasoning, add some groundnut oil, mix very well, and then I used to rub the plantain before I fry. Like I said, you can roast it or boil it. You can use your air fryer, you can use the oven, anyone, to roast it. But I'm just going to fry this. And make sure you don't use overripe plantain. Let it be semi-ripe, because if the plantain is too ripe, it becomes so soggy and you won't enjoy it. So just use excuse me, sorry, I have cold. Just use semi-ripe plantains for this. I'll allow it to rest for some time before I fry. I already washed the fish and also blended the green pepper, red pepper, and tomatoes. So we are done here now. Over to the gas cooker so we can continue our cooking. I'm going to be making the sauce now. So I'll be adding some oil, vegetable oil, in the frying pan. Then I'll add some red palm oil. I think that's enough. Let it heat up a bit. So I'm adding the onion. I like to fry it for some time before adding the coarsely chopped green pepper, red pepper, onions, and the tomatoes. So I'm adding the tomatoes now. So allow it to fry very well. While this is frying, I'll start frying the plantain on the other burner. Tomatoes has to fry very, very well. So guys, see what we have here. See the sauce. The plantain is already fried. What I'll do now, I'll add my seasonings. I have my curry, I have my all-purpose seasoning, I have my soya spice, and I have my mixed spice in here. Then I'll add bouillon cube. Add my smoked fish. Then the mashed garlic egg sauce. Eggplant. Yeah, see what we'll have. Of course, I'll add salt. As it is now, you can use it to eat boiled yam. You can even use it to eat rice. As it is like this. Let me test for salt before I add our fried plantain. I'll add more salt. It's a bit hot and I like it that way. Oh boy. So guys, see the plantain we fried. Like I said, you can roast it with your air fryer or your oven, or you can fry. I just decided to fry. Just cut it in big chunks like this. Cut it in big chunks like this, and it's okay. So it's good to go in here now. Wow. Our plantain in eggplant sauce. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Keep liking, keep sharing, and turn on your bell so that you keep on getting more recipes I share. Wow. I don't know what you think about this, but let me know in the comment section if you love this. But I tell you, if you taste this, you thank me later. I can't wait to start eating this. Guys, so this is what we have. We are good to go now. I'll just turn off the heat because it's okay. And guys, I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.